Hi, hello. In this session, we'll discuss about tuples. Tuples are similar to lists. Tuples are also ordered collections. The difference between tuples and lists are tuples are immutable, cannot be changed once it is created. Tuple syntax is slightly different. First, we will create a list. In general, we use square brackets to create a list. For example, lst 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are using square bracket to create a list, but we use parentheses to create a tuple. Tpl equal to, we use parentheses here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tpl, it gives the tuple. Now if you want to know the type, it gives tuple. There is another way to create tuple also. Just simply give the list, comma separated values, tpl equal to like 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't need to give parentheses, that's not mandatory. And just print tuple. Let's see the type. So in this case also it is showing it as a tuple. Let's create an empty tuple. It is like tuple equal to just parenthesis. So it's a empty tuple. So axing elements out of tuples are similar to lists and strings. Indexing, negative indexing, and slicing are same. There is no difference. So tuple equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you can access it based on index. Now let's use negative index. And similarly, we can use slicing. So this gives an entire tuple. We can use 2 to index 6. It gives. At the same time, we can go with the step also from 0 to 6th index with step 2, right? Similarly, tuple with negative step, basically this is also acting as reverse. So everything is same as a list, but the only difference is they cannot be modified. Let's try to modify. So currently tuple, this is the value. Um, at index 2, I want to assign value 100, which is not possible here. Now let's understand where we can use tuples. With tuples, program execution is faster. It shows better results when you are dealing with large amount of data. Like if you have a very small tuple, you don't find any difference in terms of performance. But if you're dealing with huge data, then tuples will definitely show progress, improvement there. Sometimes if you don't want data to be modified, go for tuples. So that is the place you need tuples. There's a concept called unpacking with tuples. Uh, TPL, let's create a tuple 2, 3, 4, 5 or 3 elements. Now you can say a comma b comma c equal to TPL. Now if you try a, b, c, right? So it is acting as the elements of the tuples are assigned to the variables. Now the same thing can be do slightly different. You can say a, b, c equal to TPL. Both are same. There is no difference. Remember that the number of elements must match with number of variables. Both side balance is mandatory. So this is about tuples. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.